Hi everyone, my name is Taria and I'm the Pair Career Advisor for Career Development, and today we will be navigating Handshake. Handshake is a platform that provides jobs and internships for more than over 250,000 employers. Handshake is also a recruiting platform for higher education students. Handshake partners with universities and employers to share and simplify the recruiting process. And lastly, employers are on Handshake exclusively to hire students just like you for jobs and internships. To reach Handshake, you can either use the URL provided here, or you can go through the Gwynedd Mercy University portal, or you can access this website through the Career Development website. Once you have reached the website, you can play around with your profile and save the details. The first thing we're going to look at is jobs. In the job section, you can use all the filters to provide very specific results in your search. Today, we will be looking at internships. So you would click internships in the filter, you can scroll and you can look at the industry, which is very helpful for the career that you are interested in. So we're going to do education and we can do K through 12. And then you can just click show results and it will only show you the 40 jobs based on the internship K through 12 results. Then you can click on location, click on Philadelphia, PA, and the closer you are to one, the closer it is to PA. The farther you are, it will show you the surrounding areas. Show results. And as you can see, it narrowed it down from 40 to 6 jobs found based on these specific filters. The next place we're going to look is events. You can also go to in-person and virtual events through looking at the filters by clicking medium and let's say virtual. And it will only show you virtual results once you have clicked view 30 plus results or however many results there are. In order to save the jobs and or events, you can click on this bookmark icon here and it saves the jobs for you and you can just go to saved. And you can look through this at a different time to look at all the details required to attend the event, what the event is about, and who is hosting the event. You can also look through employers, and on this page, you can find the different companies that you're interested in by searching for specific industries, how many employers at the companies that you're interested in, and so forth. Then, once we go back to the main page shows you what it's really like to work there by having the virtual group sessions, and you can attend these with other prospect employees as well. You can message employers, so recruiters and hiring managers would be reaching out to you or you reach out to them, and you can just have honest and open communication with these workers. Next, you can look through jobs that are recommended for you, jobs that you have saved, jobs that are based on the role that you're interested in, what's popular in your major, what's recommended based on what you're searching, what kind of events you're looking through, the filters that you're using, on-campus jobs at GMercyU, jobs that are expiring within 2 weeks, jobs in higher education, and that's what's going to be on the main page. So there's really a lot to see on Handshake, a lot to do. It's very helpful. Definitely use this tool if you want a job, an internship, or anything like that. Hi everyone, hopefully this has been helpful with navigating how to find internships, jobs, or anything like that. If you have any other questions, please email Career Development cd@gmercyu.edu or call them at 215-646-7300 with the extension 21230. Have a great day.